Hello everyone, I'm Chef Pie. We all love eggs. Today we'll learn 7 yummy ways to cook eggs. Let's go. First, let's look at 2 different ways to boil eggs. Number 1 is a soft boiled egg, a runny yolk that's oh so moist. Number 2 is a hard boiled egg, perfect snack for a picnic lunchbox. Now, let's learn how to fry eggs in a pan. Number 3 is sunny side up, shiny and beautiful without flipping. Number 4 is over easy. Flip it gently for a crispy white and runny yolk. Number 5 is over hard. Cook both sides until they're firm and solid. Number 6 is scrambled eggs. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them well. Pour them into a warm pan and stir very gently. They're so fluffy. They're the best breakfast ever. Last but not least, it's the omelets. We take our favorite veggies and give them a quick sizzle. Pour the yellow egg blanket and fold it over to keep the veggies cozy. Which 7 egg dishes looks the tastiest to you? Try cooking them with your family this weekend. See you in the next episode of Pie's Kitchen.